Hi, this is Josh, Dream Body Clinic, and today we're here with returning patient Malu. Thanks for coming
Hello.
back, and you have a pretty incredible story. So we were just hoping you'd share that with us and where you're at, what you did before, and how are things going?
Yes, for sure. So I originally got diagnosed back in 2015. So I was only 15 years old. And I was doing sports and a lot of activities, but there was no significant impact that happened to my spine. And because I was so young and it was kind of new, especially being from Hawaii, a lot of people, like at first it was diagnosed as a hamstring strain. And then it wasn't until I was in physical therapy where they realized it was a lot bigger of an issue. So I saw a spinal specialist in Oahu at a children's medical center. And that's when they saw that it was a pinched nerve in the lower L5S1 spine, and they couldn't really determine a cause that happened to the spine. Even with like volleyball and all the sports I played. So they kind of determined it might be hereditary, but it was still so new and rare to happen to someone so young. And so originally they gave me the option to do physical therapy for a year or spinal surgery. So I chose to do physical therapy basically every day for a year because it was a safer option just being at that young age. So I did it and I was medically cleared. So I continued back into my lifestyle and kind of stopped playing sports, but was still active in the gym. And then it slowly started to come back, and even doing my PT exercises at home, and then eventually back into a clinic for PT. It still was not getting any better, it was declining. And then in college in like 2021, 2022 is when it got really bad. I think just with studying and a different lifestyle, I wasn't able to focus as much in physical therapy. So I then again was back in the clinic doing PT in the mornings and then doing it by myself at home. But it was a rapid decline. And it got really bad to the point where I couldn't walk or carry a lot of heavy items, and I was in school. And it just affected my everyday ability
Like,
to do
how did
daily
it
activities.
feel? Was it like nerve pain shooting down, or
Yeah,
what were you dealing with?
so it was the pinched nerve, which happened to be on the right side of my leg. So it was severe pain shooting down, and then it would worsen and go all the way down to my foot and then my toes to the point where I was losing sensation in my feet and my leg, and then also just losing mobility. I couldn't move my toes at one point and just could barely walk. And I was only 21, 22. So then my family and I started doing a lot of research into medical options because back home, the doctors kind of just let me know that my choices were spinal surgery or steroid injection that had a lot of negative side effects. And I heard a lot of mixed reviews about that. So after a lot of research, we found the Dream Body Clinic, and it was definitely very different just being out of the country. So it felt like a big risk to take. But it was at that point where I kind of had no option. So we did it. And being in the young age that I am, I felt it working instantly. Like I could feel like aeration in my spine in a way because it was so decompressed. And I followed all the aftercare and played it safer and in the gym and everything. And I was able to walk again and sit down and do work and jobs that I would have had to pass up without getting the stem cell treatment. And yeah, it definitely changed my life. Everything I do now, I would have never been able to done without the stem cell treatment. So it was definitely scary at first just because I didn't know if I had any options or if I would end up like in a wheelchair. Honestly, it was just so bad. And then it brought me back to almost my normal state, which I almost forgot what it feels like to be able to walk normal and do things normally. And then I wanted to follow up in a few years in the future, just to see my MRI results and everything. And so I got a updated MRI about a year later, and I didn't really, I guess the doctors didn't really know I did the stem cell treatment.
Okay.
So they just saw the MRI and were in complete shock about how their words were a miracle happened. They were just jaw to the floor on how much improvement there was. And it was such an ongoing issue from just my 15-year-old self to up to 21 years old that a lot of doctors kind of, I guess, lost hope and faith. So like their caring to the matter just declined. So just having them see such a big benefit to where my spine went was great for them and me to see. And then, unfortunately, I was in a car accident back in March, which kind of set me back. And if I didn't get the stem cells, then I really would have been a lot worse. So thank goodness I had stem cells back in 22, and I came up for follow-up treatment, and because my spine got a lot better in the L5S1 area, they were able now to focus on that, but also the next level up, which is the L4 area, and then just ultimately giving me a better overall back relief. So I definitely recommend it if you have a similar nervous system issue in the lower spine or upper spine, because it definitely saved my life and changed it for the better.
Wow. No, thank you for sharing. That's incredible. So glad you're feeling good. Sorry you had to have that car crash and back in some pain, but
No.
you just did treatment, and I mean, it's pretty easy, right?
Yeah.
I mean, it's
Very.
pretty anticlimactic. A few easy shots. I mean, nobody likes needles, but
Yeah, exactly.
it's not that bad. And now we just wait, and typically it takes 3 to 6 months for peak results. But you, with the nerves, those tend to heal faster. So you saw it real quick. I had a herniated disc L4, L5. That was like 3.5 years ago, and it was about 10 days. All the nerve pain was gone. It felt like I had a cattle rod to my femur. It was just, I mean, it's impossible to describe nerve pain until you've had it. I used to think people with back pain were big babies. I was like, I work out all the time. My back always hurts. And once you got nerve pain, it's a whole different level. So
I know.
yeah. So I mean, I'm sure it probably even affected your sleep, all kinds of stuff, right? Yeah. So that's what it does. The stem cells get in there. They send out neurotrophic factors that guide the neurons to regenerate the nerves. And that's why nerves heal so fast. And they really don't have any options for you back in the States.
No.
Maybe they'll try an ablation. In your case, they probably would have just fused some discs, and it might not even fixed it.
Yeah.
So you don't have a perfect option up there. And I'm glad you came to Mexico. I mean, Puerto Vallarta pretty much looks like Hawaii, so not that too much different, right?
Yeah, no, it's a great place to be, and I always enjoy it. And you guys did everything really efficiently and fast and in a great way. So it's been a great experience.
Well, cool. Well, we'll let you go enjoy the beach while you're here. And
Thank you.
thank you so much. And if you at home would like to learn more about stem cell therapies, get a hold of us. You can call us toll free at 833-445-9089 or check out the website at www.dreambody.clinic. You can scroll down. All the treatments are listed there, links, prices, info, it's all there. I'm Josh. Happy to help.